Hello everybody, this is Terry Jeanette with the Tapping Flamingo. And my dance group is getting ready to perform at a luncheon and we are wearing pink. So I'm going to be making some jewelry for us to wear. And I want it to be sparkly. Look at the rhinestones on this pink hat. Isn't that pretty? And then we've got a bandana and this pink shirt. I went through my pink stash and I found these glass flower beads. So those are going to definitely be in this piece. And then I have, look at all of these bead caps. I want to use some of those bead caps. And I wanted something sparkly. At first I thought about these beads, these elongated beads. But then I found these pink beads. Aren't they pretty? And then also I have these pink beads. I don't like them right up next to each other, but I definitely want to use some sparkle. So instead of the elongated beads, I'm using these little rondelles here. Look how sparkly they are. And I'm also going to use these bicone sparklies. So we definitely going to have some bling going on. So since we're dancing, I kind of want something that's going to be like a statement piece. We're wearing that scarf, but we're not wearing any necklaces. We're probably going to be wearing some bracelets. We do like to bling up a lot. But I think what I want to do is the little flowers here, I want them to hang at the bottom and kind of dangle a little bit. So I think the first thing I'm going to do is to go ahead and put that little dangle together. I'm just using a bicone. And these little white glass beads came with the flowers. And they're basically a spacer bead to take up room in the flower. So that will hang down. Otherwise, you would have the crystal that would go inside the little flower and then you wouldn't be able to see the crystal. All right, so I'm going to go ahead and do a bead cap on top of the flower. And then we're going to do another bicone at the top. So, and that would make a really cute pair of earrings just like this. But I want these to be pretty big. Not ginormous, but I want them to show up. So we're just going to do a very simple loop. Get a pair of round, whoops, I gotta trim this off first. Hang on to that end so it doesn't shoot across the room. And then just start doing a loop. Adjust it a little bit and set that aside. Actually, I need to do 2 of those. By the way, I just used these 2-inch head pins. And I think I got these at Walmart, but you can get them at Hobby Lobby or just wherever. Michael's. Or Michael's is, I don't know. Haven't been there for a while. It's not very close. And last time I was there, was hardly anything in there. All right, so for this next part, I'm going to be using this 20 gauge, just silver tone craft wire. And we are going to, I'm working from the top first. So that's my top bead, that pink bead. And then we've got this crystal bead. And then I'm going to put the bead cap on, which is going to surround my bigger pink beads. These are 8mm, as these I think are like probably a 7mm. Now I need to put the bottom bead cap on, and they don't fit exactly, but that's okay. I kind of like that a little bit, gives a little bit more interest there. And then we need another rondelle. And then I am going to take my round nose pliers and we're going to wrap a loop. And this is going to be the bottom. So I want this loop to be bigger than the one that's going to be at the top. So I just went down on my round nose pliers a little bit, and I am wrapping a messy loop. And we want to make sure that this that's sticking out is tucked in, and then I might just go ahead and kind of, yeah, squish those together. And I'm feeling around. I don't feel anything poking out. Well, maybe a little bit. Let's see. All right. And then I'm just going to feed all my beads down, make sure I got them all down there. And then I'm going to wrap a smaller loop at the top. So I'll be going toward the tip of my pliers, since it's skinnier up here and it widens as it goes down. And then I'm just going to wrap a little messy loop there. Trim that off. Tuck it in. And then we take our little flower, a little dangle here. It's like a charm, okay? Open that up. And put that at the bottom. And now I just need to get an ear wire, but that's basically what our earrings are going to look like. Let me finish the other one up, and then I'll show you all the earrings with their ear wire, which, let me address that. Let me get this out of the way. Whoops. Okay, so there's different kinds of ear wires. I like these best. Whoop, not that one. But these are pretty cool too. Where'd they go? Oh, right in front of me. These are really simple to use. All you would do with this is you put your dangle on there, and then you just squeeze that. You don't even need any pliers to do that. But I think I'm going to use these other ear wires. And what you do is you gotta open it up just very carefully, like that. Put your dangle on, and then carefully, whoops, that wasn't too careful, but we got lucky. And there is your earring. I'll show you a pair here. I've been working on these for the whole group, so there we go. Aren't these pretty? And they're going to be very flashy. There they are, all finished. Lots of bling and lots of movement, which going to be fun when we're dancing. Thanks for joining me. And you know what? I'd really appreciate it if you give me a thumbs up, leave a comment, share if you like this. And if you haven't already, subscribe to my channel. It actually helps a lot, so I can bring you more videos on how to make jewelry. Y'all have a great day. This is Terry Jeanette with the Tapping Flamingo signing out for now. Bye-bye.